Welcome to Placements Nepal, guys. This channel is all about delivering information about the latest jobs and internship opportunities to the young, bright minds of Nepal. Today, we are going to talk about the internship opportunity provided by a US-based organization called Major League Hacking, which is also known as MLH. So, we will talk about what kind of internship it is, what stipend you will get if you are selected, the duration of the internship, eligibility criteria, and what are the procedures for applying for this internship. So please be with me until the end of the video. This is really a great opportunity where you will learn and earn from the industry experts, especially for the engineering and IT students. So, and on the top of that, it can be a great addition to your resume also. So, to get to this interface, click on the link which is provided in the description, or you can go to Google and you can write MLH apply, and the first link that you get will be the link that you're looking for. Now, let me give little background about MLH. So MLH is a official student hackathon league. So the name of the internship opportunity provided by MLH is called MLH Fellowship Program, which is powered by GitHub. So for those who don't know what is GitHub, GitHub is a very popular code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. So let's get started. So what the internship is about is that it is a fully remote, a 12-week internship. So where participants earn a stipend and learn to collaborate on a real open source project with peers and engineers from the top companies. Stipend in sense they will offer you uh, a money of around $5,000, which is in USD, uh, on the basis how you perform and what are your requirements. And the duration of the internship is about 3 months. So to get started, click on apply now. So it will redirect you to the another interface. So this is all about the introduction about what is MLS fellowship. You can go through it. So you need to complete a form. You need to fill a form, which will take around 30 to 45 minutes. So this is the where you will need to fill 2 to 3 essays, which will be the like key point of selecting the candidates. So click next page. So these are the eligibility criteria and the terms and conditions that you should uh, select to proceed further. So basically, what is this that you should be greater than 18 and you should not reside in country embarked by United States. So Nepal is not that. So time commitment, you should give about 30 hours per week. So which means around 6 hours per day. If you take 5 days, 5 working days per week. So you should be able to write and speak English fluently. So and you should know one programming language, uh, either Java, Python, JavaScript, uh, proficiently, and you should have like you will have to like get meetings with the mentors which reside in US. So you should have a quiet working space, and finally the internet connection should be like a good internet connection should be there in your house. So here you need to write your name, first name and last name, and your email address. Don't write this. Write your first name and last name and your email address. After this, so it is saying that which of the following things you have. So, if you have resume, GitHub profile, LinkedIn profile, if you have all of this, then click on it. If you don't have any of one of these, then you can uncheck it so that it will also get removed here. So I have all of this, so I will give all of this information because the main as many as information you give about yourself to them, it will your chances of getting selected will get higher. So I will select my resume for GitHub. So GitHub, you shall give your handle name, not the URL. So my handle name is Thapamanis. LinkedIn. For LinkedIn, you should give this, go to your profile and just copy this and paste it here. So personal website or portfolio website. If you don't have it, then it is okay. But if you have it, you should give. Uh, for now, I will not click on it, so it will get removed from here. Go to next page. Now it's asking from where you are and from which country citizen you are. I will select Nepal here. After clicking on Nepal, if you are from Nepal, then you will be working from Nepal only. Then click like type Nepal here also. So it's asking for authorization in any additional countries. So you can give no here. This fellowship program have three major um, uh, follow-ups, just like open source software engineering prep program. Open source involves GitHub like that, and software engineering for engineering student. And you can choose any of these, and you can select from here. MLS Fellowship Program. So basically, this production engineering is the new follow-up, which is brought up by the MLS, and this is powered by Meta, which is the parent company of Facebook. So you can choose any of these, or you can choose all of this. Because if you choose all of this, then the chances of getting selected in one of these program will be higher. So now you need to choose the starting date. Basically, for Nepal Nepali students, there are only two. This is for European and UK applicants. So you can choose any of this. I will choose fall. So now you are like committing that I am able to give 30 hours per week, and these are the timings because you will be working on US timing. So like there's 12 hours difference between US and Nepal. So give the timings that will suit you. So you can choose all of these, or like you can choose the timing that suits for you. Go to next page, and if you are a student, then give your like college name. So I will give mine. So this now institution type. So what you are doing, a bachelor's degree or master's, you can give any of this. So graduation month, when will you graduate, the year, and what stream you are you're studying. Whether it is computer science or diploma, you can give any of this, and choose according to what stream and what subject you are studying here, what type of degree you are pursuing. So it is also asking like are you looking for a coding job. So this is a great platform where you can do internship, and after that you can grab a job also. So if you press within a looking month, then it will ask like within 12 months, then it will ask then uh, after a job or internship, when you are ready to join another job. So you can give any of this, like I will give immediately. So this remote opportunity work opportunity means like uh, it's like a work from home. So you will be working for the companies residing in your homes. So you can give yes or no depending upon your availability. So this is the skills. They are asking what skills you have. So choose those which you are proficient in, and you can give never unfamiliar, that you have never used. So I will do it according to my proficiency. You do according to your proficiency. So I know Android. I know a little bit of C, C++. I don't know Rust. I don't know Go. I don't know Swift. I know Java. I know JavaScript. Mm, I don't know TypeScript. I don't know Julia. I don't know PHP. I'm proficient in Python. I don't know Ruby. I know I'm intermediate in SQL and Postgres. I don't know SQL and Okami. So if there is any other programming language that you know and you are proficient in, but it is not listed here, then you can give here the name of that programming language. Now there are given some list of some list that you have to select which you have done before. So like build a website, yeah, obviously you have done, I guess, because I have done. So select those that you have done before. I have done most of these things. I will be selecting all of that. So one or two. You don't need to select all of this. It doesn't like you won't be selected on the basis of this. This is only for knowing you better. What are your strengths? What are your weakness? And what are you, and now they're asking what are your interests, that after getting into the program, what where you can explore many more technologies. So they are asking what are your interests. So if you are interested in backend, you can give backend. You can use multiple technologies because it is a multiple choice. So I will use just data science or web APIs. You can choose any of these. Okay, I forgot to choose two here and here. Now go to next page. So if you are if you miss any of the uh, fill in the blanks, then it will show some error. So this is the most crucial part of this selection criteria. So they are asking for a project that you have worked upon. Uh, so you need to give a project, the link of the project that you have hosted in GitHub. So like I have hosted a project, like I have pushed a project known as COVID tracker in my GitHub. So I will give this project's link. So if you have done any other project, give the link of that project, paste it here. And after that, by using what language you have written that project. So if you have used Python, give Python. Now I will give JavaScript because I have done with the help of React. So now uh, describe the code, like what the code sample does, what technology you have used. So basically, I have used React, Chart.js, Material UI. Then I will explain using these terminologies, and I will say that what this app does, what this web app does. So write something here. So project description. It's about like 200 words. So describe it pretty nicely because your selection will be like they will select on the basis of this only, that how much you are like passionate about the technology. So the other thing is like they are asking by doing this code, by doing this project, what you have learned. Like you can give like I have learned React.js. I got to learn about APIs. You can give different things that you have learned. So give her the learn things. After that, go to next page. So these are the essays. So on the basis of this on the basis of this essay, they will determine that how passionate you are to join the MLH group, MLS community. So why do you want to become an MLS fellow? So write something that you are that that suits you. Here they are asking the contribution that you will do if they select, if they select you, then what contribution you will do. So they're asking that why they need to select you. So give some reasons. Give that I like you can give like I'm passionate. I I learn fast, something like that. And this is like anything else like if there is like you have won some trophies in the technology like in hackathon or something like that, you can give it here. But you can leave it also because it's not compulsory. These two are compulsory and it's very important. So just think about it, write it somewhere, and after that copy it here. Now go to next page. Now this is the final touch-up. They're asking for a gender. They're asking for ethnicity. Since Nepali is not here, you can give South Asian. And you can give any of these because it doesn't matter really. So you can say it, I saw it in MLH, or you can give it like I saw on job board LinkedIn. After that, you can click this. This is a newsletter. If you like hate spam mails, then you can uncheck it. Now click on this verification, and finally you can review the answers. So it will take some time depending upon the internet connection you have. So review all the answers because once you like submit it, you won't able to edit it. So review it pretty well. After that, you can confirm. Click on confirm here, and you can confirm this. I will not confirm it because I haven't I had already like been a part of MLS. So you confirm it. So basically, it will take around 2 to 3 weeks to review your application. And if you are selected, then they will give you interview link. You will have to give two interviews. The first interview is HR interview. Basically, there they will ask about you. Uh, they will like ask your strengths and weakness, everything. And after, if you clear that, the second one is the technical interview, wherein you need to explain the code that you have provided here. Just like I provided my React based COVID tracker, then I will need to explain this code. If you ever then if you are able to like clear that round, then you are selected for this 3 month internship, and you will get a stipend nearly about $5,000, which is pretty huge in Nepali rupees, right? So this is a great opportunity, guys. So please take your time and fill this form. Uh, this was for today. Thank you very much.